So let's talk about something that we often see at Momentum, and that's knee pain. For a lot of people, it starts with, maybe you're experiencing this too, it starts with things like going up and down the stairs, getting up from the chair, walking longer distances, trying to work out. You know, some people even feel it while they're kneeling, squatting, getting up off the floor, playing with their kids, whatever it may be. Over time, that knee starts to limit things, doing what you enjoy doing. I'm sure that's why you click the link, like golfing, hiking, walking, you know, just getting up from bed. Maybe that throbbing pain's there. The biggest question we always look at is what's actually hurting the knee in the first place. You had to break down somewhere. So sometimes the issue is directly the knee, like irritation of the joints surrounding the tissues, but very often the knee can actually be compensating for dysfunction other places in the body. For example, poor posture, hip weakness, loss of movement of the spine and the pelvis can change the forces that travel through the leg and into that knee. When the body isn't moving effectively, the knee can actually take up more stress than it was designed to handle. At Momentum, the first step is identifying where that dysfunction is coming from. So when we do that, then we can actually start with chiropractic adjustments. They can help restore proper movement and alignment of the spine and the hip, the pelvis, so the knee isn't constantly compensating for everything. We also incorporate functional movement and strengthening exercises to improve stability in the hips and the legs, and the knee tracks, so the knee tracks properly so that you don't release some pain. We also have soft wave, which helps stimulate the irritated tissue, improve circulation, reduce inflammation of the knee. When we combine all of this, we're going to support the tissue, we're going to combine that, we're going to get you proper mechanics so that the knee stops hurting. We can get you to a point where you're enjoying those everyday activities, get you back into the gym, get you back playing with your kids, get you back to walking, hiking, whatever it is that you may like to do, and making sure that we give you the proper tools to do it so that you can get out of pain long term and not just get this short term patch like you've been experiencing. So come on in and give us a call.